Anyone that owns and runs a business or works with other businesses knows how important SEO is to growth, to traffic, to sales, all the things. So today I want to give you my top 10 SEO tools. Some of these have AI as part of them. And these are amazing tools that I use pretty much every single day. Some of these you've heard of, probably. Some of these you probably haven't heard of that are kind of next level. And I've seen massive growth because of the use of these. So let's dive in and go through the top 10 tools. So the first tool I want to talk about is Google Search Console. So I don't want to pull up a client account. So here are screenshots from a really good article about how to use Google Search Console. But basically, Google Search Console is a free platform. You know, a lot of these are paid, but the Google stuff is free. And it's basically telling you directly how your site is performing in search. You can see real time your clicks, your impressions, your click-through rate, your average search position. It can also show you which keywords you're ranking for. So here's some other performance data that you can kind of see. There's a lot of tabs here on the left, but you can also see your actual specific pages, kind of how they're performing. Also, Google Search Console, you can submit pages to Google Search Console to make sure that they're indexed. So that's something that you want to make sure that all of your pages are indexed on Google, meaning they're showing on Google. So that's important as well. It shows mobile usability. And then also down here, this is a big one too. In the performance tab, you can see your search queries, sort them by volume, cost per click, competitiveness. So you can kind of see the keywords here that you're ranking for and make sure the keywords that you should be ranking for are being ranked for, the keywords that you're not, that you're actually trying to get them ranked and doing a better job. And a lot of the other tools that I'm going to show you will absolutely help you with that. The second tool that you should absolutely have and use is Google Analytics, right? So Google Analytics is kind of the next layer. So you have Google Search Console, that's like kind of the front layer. Google Analytics is kind of more of the back end layer. So you can see what happens after someone clicks on your site. You can see if they book, if they buy, if they bounce. So it's more of an in-depth view, and it's not just visits. So inside you can run different reports, where your traffic is coming from, the acquisition, the engagement. You can see some monetization, purchase journey, checkout journey. So this is like a very in-depth view of your website and the traffic and what the traffic is doing. So you can get a really good idea of the flow. And if there are any things that you need to remove friction from, if there's any barriers that you need to remove for your clients, and just kind of see the flow and a more in-depth snippet, in-depth view of what's going on. The third one that I'm going to talk about is Ahrefs. And this is probably one of the best SEO tools out there to see competition and what your competition is doing. So I think they have a free version. This can get very expensive, but you can go to Ahrefs.com and check it out. They do have some free resources here. So they have some SEO tools, so keyword generator tool, which is pretty cool. But basically what this does, it allows you to input your competitors' websites and kind of see what they're ranking for, which pages drive their traffic, where their backlinks are coming from. So this gives you a really good head start and a really good advantage, so you can see what the top competitors in your area are doing, in your local area or in general, and you can start to do the things that they're doing. If they have backlinks from this website, go and see if you can get backlinks from this website. If they have keywords that they're ranking for that you're not, work on doing more content, more SEO friendly content to get ranked for those keywords. If they have pages that you don't have, blog articles that you don't have that are driving a lot of traffic, you can do those. So this is a very in-depth view of that, and it's kind of like a sneaky ninja tool that you should definitely use. The next tool that's amazing for SEO is Screaming Frog. So this is more of the technical SEO side. You can see kind of a demo on their website here, but basically this tool crawls your entire website the way a search engine does, and it finds problems that quickly kill rankings. So it's like a in-depth auditing tool, which is really cool. So it helps find broken links, duplicate titles, missing meta descriptions, pages Google can't properly crawl, that need indexed properly. And here's kind of all the stuff that it does. So this is a really good auditing tool. So they do have a free version. They also have a paid version with a lot more, a lot more added features, of course. The next one that we have, this is number 5, is Surfer SEO. So this handles on-page optimization. So it's another kind of audit tool in a way, but it analyzes top-ranking pages and tells you what your content needs to compete, from structure to keyword usage to topical coverage. So this is good. This is a good audit tool for like existing content and existing pages to make it even better and to make it rank. So this is useful if you're updating old content, you want faster ranking improvements, you're working with writers or you're working with AI. It removes the guesswork and replaces it with a data-backed structure. So you can see the website here and kind of all the features and what it helps you do. So it basically just helps you rank and improve all the content on your page a lot faster. Next on the list is probably my favorite of this entire list is Arvow. So this is an SEO blog writer. And what makes this so powerful is you can input your own website knowledge base. You can input your website sitemap, your website pictures, your YouTube page, and it puts together SEO optimized blog articles. So you can kind of see here, if I click into a blog article, these are SEO optimized blog articles that are tailored to be shown in ChatGPT and AI overviews. And it has an AI writer, so you can edit any part of this article. You can use the revision tool and edit any part of this article. You can use the AI assistant to write this article. There's also analytics and reports, so it monitors your LLM brand performance, gives you SEO reports if you want that. And it will also, you can also have it crawl your website and optimize it and find kind of some of the other tools I already talked about. It'll help you find missing meta descriptions, missing alt text and things like that. So really, really cool tool. There's a link for this below as well. The next amazing tool, especially for local businesses, is BrightLocal. So this is really cool. It helps you build citations and build backlinks to your own website, because you can run this and it will track how you appear in local search results, manage citations, monitors reviews. This is critical because for local SEO, visibility isn't just about rankings, it's about trust. So if you rely on calls, bookings, or walk-ins, this tool helps you dominate your service area. So this is really, really cool tool that I would suggest using. The next tool, number 9, is PageSpeed Insights. So this is really cool. Speed matters a lot when it comes to your website. If your website is not fast for the desktop and mobile version, it really kills your rankings and hurts the user experience. So you can test your website this way. You just pop in your URL, hit analyze, and it'll analyze how fast your website is and identify performance issues so you're not losing traffic that you've already earned. So really, really important. This was number 8. I can't count. Anyways, number 9 is going to be your Google Business Profile. So this is really, really important. And this is kind of, especially for local businesses, the Google Business Profile really ties everything together. It helps control local visibility, reviews, calls, directions, bookings. So you can add pictures in here. You can add all of your services in here. You can add, blog articles in here, information, profiles. So this is really important. It's important to fill out every part of your Google Business Profile, and it's going to help you basically do better than your competition locally if you do it right. And the final tool that I have for you is tied right into the Google Business Profile, and that is Google My Business, or GMB Everywhere, Google My Business Everywhere. This is a plugin. You can plug it in. You see at the top here, and this is why you see kind of this weird information here. This is from Google My Business, so you can see what categories your competition is in. This is probably a better view here. You can see the categories that your competition is using. A lot of people aren't using enough categories. This helps identify the categories you should be using. And it helps give you more information on your competition and kind of how they're setting up their Google Business Profile. So there's a free version that's pretty good. It's very easy to use this tool, but it helps optimize what you're already doing in your Google Business Profile. So those are the tools. Those are the top 10 tools that I would recommend using from an SEO standpoint, so you don't gotta get lost in the weeds. There's a lot out there, and there's tools. Those are the tools cover everything from releasing content to auditing your content to analyzing your competition to optimizing what you're already doing. So hopefully that helps you guys out. That's it for this one. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.